Hola chicos, buenas tardes, ¿qué tal? Soy DC Bambalan, soy filipina, tengo 36 años, actualmente estoy aprendiendo español. Bueno, tengo un comentario de Pia-P. El comentario es, hello, you can join me on Hello Talk. We can speak with Spanish speaker. Yes, since nabanggit mo nga yung Hello Talk, eto sasabihin ko na matagal na akong member ng Hello Talk since April 2025. And I will share in this video my account. So, eto guys, yung account ko at Jo-DC Bambalan. And you can find me there in Hello Talk. It's an app you can download in Google Play Store. Ayan. And you can download it for free. And meron ng mga mga premium features na pwede mong nababayaran mo. Pero may mga features din naman na free. And ang pinaka gusto ko talaga dito sa app na to, aside from it's free, is that I can do my language immersion in Spanish. Kasi ang daming nag-aaral dyan ng Spanish, guys. And some of them are native speakers of Spanish, di ba, bongga? So if you're someone like me na living in the Philippines, and wants to learn Spanish, pero nahirapan sa language immersion kasi nga naman, di ba, wala naman tayong makausap na Espanyol or mapakinggang Espanyol. Use this app, guys. It's very helpful at nabanggit na rin ni Pia. And eto, ginawan ko na ng video para malaman nyo na ito yung isang app na ginagamit namin na nag-aaral ng Spanish dito sa Philippines para mas ma-practice yung Spanish. May mga dito native speakers of Spanish from Spain, from Mexico, and other Latin America countries. Kaya, yeah, this is very helpful. I hope I see you in Hello Talk, and eso es todo. Gracias a Dios.